Taxation and Other Laws Amendment 2026. During the winter session, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both the houses of parliament, passed a Taxation and Other Laws Amendment Act, Amendment Bill during the winter session of the parliament. What it contains? The bill proposes tax changes to promote domestic electronics manufacturing, make India more attractive to foreign cloud companies and investment funds, and empower the government to determine the future of the zero merchant discount rate on digital payments. This is the main purpose of the amendment bill passed in the winter session of the parliament in the year 2026. The bill, after passing, replaces the ordinance issued on June 5th of this year. The bill contains the main aim of the bill is to incentivize the electronics manufacturing sector of foreign companies that produce electronic products in India through local contract manufacturers continue to receive income tax exemption for the years 15 years up to 2041. The incentive covers mobile phones, laptops, tablets, personal computers. The same incentive has been extended to servers and key components also. The incentive also proposed to the rough diamond industry as well as the tax incentives incentivizes the production in customs warehouses before supplying foreign firms that store components them to Indian manufacturers will get 15 years income tax exemption up to the year 2041. The main aim of the bill was to encourage global companies to expand their operations in India. To make it easier for the foreign cloud companies to set up and scale data center operations in India. Companies using Indian data centers will no longer need to have additional approvals and notifications. These companies can also operate through leased facilities. The bill also simplifies the tax rules for offshore fund managers looking into more operations to India. Means the main aim of the bill passed in the winter session of the Parliament 2026 with regarding the taxation incentives given to foreign companies to extend their operations in India with regarding electronics manufacturing, investment rules, as well as many related activities, manufacturing, investment funds, and empower the manufacturing sector, foreign companies that produce electronic products in India through local contract manufacturers. The incentive covers mobile phones, laptops, tablets, personal computers. Also, the incentive has also been extended to servers and key components also. This is the main aim of the bill proposed and passed in the Parliament during the winter session 2026 with regarding the taxation incentives extended to foreign companies which are carrying on electronic activities in India.